Today we're talking about axes. Not this axe, that one. Axes can be a devastating kick, but if you don't know how to aim them, they can be actually pretty useless. So throw away everything you know about axes. This is what an axe typically looks like, and this is a point fighting axe variation. You're gonna start the pathway in chamber position, extend to the side of the head, crossing in front of the face and down the center of the body. Defensively, we would do this as someone's pushing forward, aiming at the head level because it's typically open. At the bare minimum, we'd be aiming center, so we would disarm anything that's coming at us. For offensive, we're adding a slip. It's not easy to land, but if you know your timing and distancing really well, it's extremely difficult to block. We don't always have a training partner, and hitting the heavy bag is tricky, but not impossible. So let me show you. Your pathway is gonna start on the side of the bag, and then you're gonna skim your leg down the center line of the bag. Let me show you. Starting up to the side, and skimming down the center line of the bag. Once you get your distancing, then you could add a slip. We hope this helps. Let us know if you learned something new, and don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
and we'll see you next time. Bye!